What is St. Patrick's Day? Written by Elaine Landau. What holiday is this? People wear green. They wear pins with silly sayings like, "Kiss me. I'm Iris." There are parades. It is St. Patrick's Day. St. Patrick's life. St. Patrick was born more than 1,600 years ago. When he was young, he was a slave in Ireland. Later, he told the Irish people about God. St. Patrick died when he was 75. He was named Ireland's saint. He watches over the people. Moving on. Over the years, many Irish people came to the United States. They still love St. Patrick's. They honored his day here, too. People who were not Irish enjoyed the day within them. They still do. Parades and more. There are many parades on St. Patrick's Day. Bands play music, people wave Irish flags, crowds watch and cheer. Sometimes the White House turns its fountain green. Good eating. People cook Irish foods. They eat corned beef and cabbage. Many people like potatoes and soda bread, too. Look for cakes and cookies with green icing. There are parties. People tell Irish stories. They play Irish music. People may play bagpipes. They make a great sound. Dance an Irish jig. Symbols of St. Patrick's Day. Green stands for Ireland's fields. Shamrock stands for good luck. Leprechauns are little men in Irish stories. They play tricks on people. These things make people think of Ireland. Celebrate every year. St. Patrick's Day is on March 17th. That is the day he died. You do not have to be Irish to love this day. On this day, everyone is Irish. Grow a cup of green. Ireland has many fields of green grass. This year, on St. Patrick's Day, you can grow some green grass of your own. You will need small packets of oat seeds. You can find these at animal feed stores and some garden centers. Small plastic or paper cup, potting soil, water. What do? Put about an inch of potting soil in the cup. Cover the top of the soil with oat seeds. Cover the seeds with a very thin layer of soil. Be sure not to put on too much soil. Add some water to wet the soil. Place the cup in a sunny window. Water it a bit every day. In about 5 days, you will have your own cup of green grass. Happy St. Patrick's Day! The end. If you like our reading, please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Goodbye!